thanks for joining me. Happy Sunday. So I'm here to announce the winner of my lovely portfolio project. So I shared the entire project on a previous video and then said I would be gifting it. It was open to internationals. You just had to answer a very simple question. Lots and lots of comments, lots of lovely shares on there. I think I replied to everybody. There was an awful lot of comments, but I do try and reply to all comments to show my appreciation for the support on my channel. So I can't film the random generator because I don't know how to film it correctly, so that it's a good quality. So I have done it off screen, but I have taken a photo of the person picked. I will post it on my Facebook group. So if anybody, and also on my Facebook business page. So if anybody wants kind of proof of who I've picked, then it will be over there. So again, thank you to everybody who joined in. I do appreciate it, and I will be doing more giveaways in the future, so please do make sure you are subscribed. Hit the like button or the dislike button if that's what you prefer. Either way, it helps my analytics. So engagement's engagement, it doesn't matter which way it goes. You can please yourselves. So the winner of this was just a name, and the name was, let me just double check how it's spelt. So it was crafted by Christy. Just making sure I say it correctly. Crafted by Christy. Now we don't know what that person's actual name is, and so I am relying on that person emailing me. My direct email's in the description box below to claim it, and then you need to send me your address. And if I did say on the original video, I'm trying to avoid the glare here, that if it wasn't collected within 48 hours, then I will give it to somebody at random on my Facebook group. So Crafted with Christy, please get in touch and I will get this off to you wherever you live in the world. Doesn't matter if you live in the UK or if you live on Mars. We'll see if Royal Mail can get it there. So thank you so much to everybody that left a comment. Thank you for your continued support, and watch out for another giveaway in the not too distant future. Have a lovely weekend, take care, and bye for now.